Hi guys, thanks for joining me today. My name is Randy from A Fresh Squeeze Life, and today we're going to make DIY bath bombs. These are easy to make. It's a fun project to make with your girlfriends or your kids, and once you've made these are wonderfully relaxing in a bath. They're very fizzy, they're scented, and what's fun is you can scent them in any scent that you like, and you can color them how you want them as well. So let's get started. The dry ingredients we're using are 1/2 cup Epsom salt, 1 cup baking soda, and 1/2 cup cornstarch. Once you've gathered your dry ingredients, place them in a bowl and stir them with a whisk until they are completely combined. The wet ingredients you need are 2 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon melted coconut oil, 1 to 2 teaspoons of essential oil, and 2 teaspoons of warm water. Now you're going to pour your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients, and you're going to whisk this mixture together until it resembles wet sand. This does take about 2 minutes. Now we're at the fun part where we get to add our color. I used sparkling mica powder and I used about 2 teaspoons. You want to stir this in until it's completely combined with your mixture. We're going to add 1/2 cup of citric acid to make the bath bombs fizzy. Pour the citric acid over your mixture and whisk it until it's completely combined. Now we're going to create our bath bombs by putting the mixture into our bath bomb molds. You want to take 1/2 of the bath bomb and fill it firmly with the mixture, pressing it down, and you actually want to have a little bit extra. Then you're going to take both halves of your bath bomb mold and kind of smush them and twist them together until you hear the mold click. When you're done and you place your bath bomb mold on your work surface, you want to place it parallel to the work surface so that way it's not tempted to snap open, which I have to admit happened a few times. I would say probably 3 times out of every 10 that I made. And if that happens, all you have to do is just empty out the bath bomb mold back into the bowl, mix it up, and start again. You're going to see that this part of the video has a blooper in it, but I decided to leave it since this always happens when we're DIYing stuff. In order to get the bath bomb out of the mold, you simply tap it with the handle of a butter knife until it starts to loosen. And then once you take half off, you flip it over and do it on the other side until the bath bomb is completely removed from the mold. At this point, you want to let the bath bombs sit for about 48 hours so they can dry, and after that, they're ready to use. Thanks for joining me today for this DIY video. Happy crafting, friends!